Earth might not be alone. From blazing super-Earths to water-rich exoplanets, here are 15 planets that just might support life. And number 1 is shockingly Earth-like. Welcome to Global World Top. Today we're exploring the top 15 most habitable planets discovered so far, based on temperature, atmosphere, and life potential. 15. Kepler 442b. Temperature, approximately -40 degrees Celsius. Rocky super-Earth, 1,200 light-years away. Believed to be in the habitable zone, its size and orbit could support life if it has an atmosphere. 14. Gliese 581g. Unknown contested, possibly tidally locked. Though disputed, it sparked global excitement as one of the first Earth-like exoplanet claims. 13. Kepler 62f. Cold, possibly ice-covered, located in the Lyra constellation. May need a greenhouse effect to be habitable. Scientists say it's a good candidate for life. 12. TRAPPIST 1D. 40 light-years away. One of 7 rocky planets in the TRAPPIST 1D system possibly has liquid water. 11. LHS 1140b. Denser than Earth. Orbits a red dwarf. With the right atmosphere, life could exist here. 10. Tau Ceti e. Slightly warmer than Earth. Just 12 light-years away, may have a strong atmosphere to protect it. 9. Kepler 186f. Similar size to Earth. One of the first Earth-sized planets found in the habitable zone of another star. 8. Wolf 1061c. 13.8 light-years away. Could be rocky, but orbits close to its star. Habitability depends on atmosphere. 7. Proxima Centauri b. Closest exoplanet, 4.2 light-years. Located in the habitable zone of the star nearest to Earth, may have water. 6. Ross 128b. Similar temperature to Earth. Orbits a quiet red dwarf. Fewer flares means better chance for life.
5.
Teegarden b. Mass, close to Earth. One of the most Earth-like exoplanets in terms of size and temperature. 4. K2-18b. Confirmed water vapor in atmosphere. First exoplanet where water vapor was detected, might be a mini ocean world. 3. TRAPPIST-1e. Possibly has a solid surface and water, a prime candidate for life. Very Earth-like in size and energy received. 2. Kepler 452b. Earth's older cousin. Orbits a star similar to the Sun, but 1.5 billion years older, potentially giving life more time. 1. Earth. You are here. Still the most habitable planet we know. Until we find another, we better protect this one. Which planet do you think could be humanity's second home? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more TopX content.